ready to transform your ideas into a thriving community, one email at a time. Let's dive into creating your compelling newsletter on Substack. First, head over to Substack.com and click that prominent Get Started button. This is where your journey begins, and it's simpler than you think. Now, let's give your newsletter a name and a unique URL. Think of a name that's memorable and clearly communicates the essence of your content. Your URL will be your newsletter's address, so choose wisely. Next, tell Substack what your newsletter is all about. Select your primary topic and craft a concise, exciting description that hooks potential readers and makes them eager to subscribe. Now for the visual appeal. Upload a professional-looking header image and a profile picture that represent your brand. These elements create your newsletter's first impression, so make them count. Decide on your publishing settings. Will your posts be free for everyone, or will you offer a paid tier? Substack makes it easy to choose what works best for your goals. Content is king. Before you launch, brainstorm your first few posts. What valuable insights, stories, or tips can you share? Always include a clear call to action, encouraging readers to subscribe. Once you're happy with your setup and have a content plan, it's time to hit that launch button. Congratulations, your Substack newsletter is officially live. To build your readership, share your newsletter link on social media, tell your friends, and engage with your audience. Consistency and authenticity are your best tools for growth.